A big contributor to spreading deserts is decimation of scrubland and forests. Trees are like anchors, stabilizing soil and holding moisture in the ground. But in 2006, forests have continued to disappear worldwide. This can speed climate change because trees act like super filters, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. So forests are a huge asset in the fight against global warming. Except when they burn. October 27th, 2006, Southern California. A huge wildfire set by arsonists explodes, killing 5 firefighters. It's another giant blaze in what is the worst fire season on record. This year, more than 38,000 square kilometers have gone up in smoke. A large tree can breathe in around 20 kilos of carbon dioxide each year. So losing forests to fire or to logging reduces the planet's ability to heal the changing atmosphere.